Hi students, welcome to KGH Academy. Today we are going to discuss the topic of basic simplification. Basic simplification. Okay, for the preparation of data interpretation, it is the most important contents of basics. What are the basics? Means it is the first point. What is the first point is nothing but BOTMAS. BOTMAS rule. It is known as a BOTMAS rule. Okay, actually B means a bracket. If in the calculation if there is any bracket, just we have to calculate bracket. O means it is the of. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. S means subtraction. It is a rule. First rule, sir. Rule number 1, BOTMAS. Actually, why we are discussing this topic means for the sake of data interpretation, this is the important content. This is the basic knowledge. It gives a basic simplification knowledge. B for bracket, O for of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Let us suppose I want to give one example. I mean 10 plus 10 divided by 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 divided by 10 plus 10, sir. You tell me. 10 plus 10 divided by 10 plus 10 equals to what is the value? 10 plus 10 divided by 10 plus 10 equals to what is the value? Means, sir, first of all, my dear friend, we have to calculate this one. 10 divided by 10. 10 divided by 10 is nothing but 1. That's why 10 plus 1 plus 10. Answer value is equals to what is the value? 21. 21 is our answer, sir. Now you tell me. B means bracket, O means of, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. BOTMAS rule. What is the rule? BOTMAS. What is the BOTMAS rule? Bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Come again. Bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is the BOTMAS rule. Or else, it is actually, originally it is known as a Venn column. V BOTMAS. Venn column, bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. 10 plus 10 divided by 10 plus 10 means actually 10 divided by 10 is equals to 1 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 1 value is equals to 21. 21 is the answer, sir. Come again. BOTMAS means bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is the BOTMAS rule. Right. Let us suppose I want to take one more example, sir, for this one. Let us suppose 20 divided by 5 into 4. What is the value of 20? 20 divided by 5 into 4. 20 divided by 5 into 4. 20 divided by 5 into 4 means, first of all, my dear friend, we have to calculate the division. After that, we go with into, sir. 20 divided by 5 means 5 in 20 means how many times? 4 times now. That's why answer is simply 4 into 4. Answer is equal to 16. 16 is the answer, sir. Don't calculate into. First of all, division. After division, we need to calculate into. 20 divided by 5 means 5 in 20 means how many times? 5 in 20 means 4 times now. That's why 4 the value is equal to 16. 16 is our answer. 16 is our answer. Right. You tell me, okay, first of all you tell me, B means bracket, O means of, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S is a subtraction. BOTMAS. Come again. B bracket, O of, D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. 20 divided by 5 into 4 is equals to 5 in 20 means 4 times, 4 the value is equal to 16. 16 is our answer, sir. Okay, right. I want to take one more example, sir, for this one. I want to take one more example. For example, 100 divided by 20 plus 40 divided by 8 plus 60. So, boss, first of all, you have to focus on the symbol between two numbers. Actually, here is the symbol division between 100 and 20. Here is a symbol between 40 and 80, there is a symbol of division, right. First of all, Okay, from top and bottom, if you take observation, that means after division we have a plus. So that's why first of all we go with the division, after that plus. 100 divided by 20. 100 divided by 20 means 20 in 100 means how many times? 5 times. So up to this one answer is 5. 1840 means how many times? 5 times. Its a value is also 5 plus 60. So 5 plus 5 plus 60, answer is nothing but value is equals to 70. 70 is the answer. What is the rule here? You tell me, what is the rule here? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Bodmer's rule. What is the rule? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So this is the rules. This is the model number 1, point number 1. Okay, this class only for non-math students. Some pure basic calculation, basic simplification class. This is the point number 1. What is the point number 2? What is the point number 2 means? Just points multiplications. Let us suppose if you have number just like 1.2 into 0.4. Let us suppose. Let us suppose it is the calculation 1.2 into 0.4. 1.2 into 0.4 means what is the value? First of all, my dear friend, we need to solve 12 fours. We have to solve 12 fours. 12 into 4 value is equals to 48. 12 fours value is equals to 48. So 12 into 4 value is nothing but value is equals to 48. 12 fours are 48. After writing that 48, just you need to, we have to count that point. What is the point here? That means after 1 plus, here also 1 plus point. So that means into means we need to take addition of that points. 1 point, that means we need to cover 2 places from right to left. From right to left. That means we need to cover from right to left. That means we have to point out this point. Answer is equals to 0.48. Let us suppose if you take example 2.4 into 0.9. 2.4 into 0.9. So first of all tell me 24 nines are value is equals 216. 24 nines are value is equals 216. After writing of 216, 1 plus 1 plus, that means 2 plus. At what place we need to mark, we have to mark that point, means after 2 plus we have to mark a point. That means answer is equals 2.16. Let us suppose for example if you take 1.6 into 1.4, let us suppose 1.6 into 1.4, what is the value? My dear, first of all you have to calculate 16 14s, right? 16 14s value is equals 224, right? Just you have to write the number 224. After writing out 224, just we have to count the number of places after right hand side. That means here we have 1 plus point, here also 1 plus point, that is nothing but from right side to left side we have to move on for 2 places. That means value is equals to 2.24 is the answer. Did you understand this one? Right. In decimal multiplication, just we have to solve. We have to solve these points in this case one. Right. 1.6 into 1.4 means 16 14 is 224. After 2 places we have to put on a point. This is a point number 2. Right. After this one, point number 3. What is point number 3? What is the point number 3 means divisions, points division. Let us suppose for example 0.14 divided by 0.2. 0.14 divided by 0.2. 0.14 divided by 0.2, sir. 0.14 divided by 0.2 equals what is the value? You tell me. 14 divided by 2 equals what is the value? 14 divided by 2 equals to what is the value? Is equals to 7. Just we have to write 7 only here. 14 divided by 2 value is equals to 7. Sir. 14 divided by 2 value is equals 7. Okay, in this number after how many places there is a point? 2 places. In this one, how many places after how many places point is nothing but 1 place. We need to subtract one place from two places. From two places we have to minus one place. From two places, if you take minus one place, that is equals to 0.7. This value is equals to 0.7. For example, let us suppose bus 1.24 divided by 1.24 divided by 0.4. 1.24 divided by 0.4 equals to what is the value? First of all, you need to take cancellation. 4 in 124 means how many times you have to write? 4 in 124 means how many times its value is equals to 31. Sir. You have to write 31 there. After that, we need to take a minus of decimals. 2 plus 1 plus 2 places minus 1 plus equals to 1 plus. That means the value is equals to 3.1. Into means points plus only. By means points minus 1. Points minus 1. For example, let us suppose if we take 0.225 divided by 1.5. 0.225 divided by 1.5 equals to what is the value? So, if you take calculation, 15 and 225 means how many times it is equals to 15? 15 and 225 means how many times? 15 times. Okay, 3 places point and 1 place point. So, 3 points minus 1 point is equals to 2 points. After 2 places, we need to put on a point, that means 0.15. This is the point number 3, sir. What is the point number 3 means? If there is any division, decimals we have to take a minus. This is the point number 3. And after that, point number 4, sir. Fourth point. Let us suppose 1.4 divided by 0.07. 1.4 divided by 0.07 is equals to what is the value? 1.4 divided by 0.07 is equals to what is the value? First of all, my dear friend, we have to calculate. 7 in 14 means how many times? First of all, you have to solve it. 7 in 14 means how many times? 2 times. 7 in 14 means how many times? 2 times. In numerator, after how many places there is a point? 1 place. In denominator, how many places after the point? 2 places. From 2 places, we have to subtract 1 place. 2 places minus 1 place is equals to 1 place. That means the value is equals to 20. If there are any points against at a numerator, we have to take decimals. If there are any points denominator against, we have to take 0. For example, if you take 2.4 divided by 0.004. 4 in 24 means 6 times. No? 4 in 24 means how many times? 6 times. 4 in 24 means how many times? 6 times. 1 place point and 3 place points. From 3 places, we have to subtract 1 place. That means how many places are there possible? 2 places, right? 2 places at a denominator or numerator, sir? Denominator only. Just that 2 places we need to convert into 0. Simply we have to write 2 zeros 1. Here we have 600. 600 is the answer. Sir. For example, 1.2 divided by 0.0006, let us suppose. 6 in 12 means 2 times. 6 in 12 means 2 times. 6 in 12 means 2 times. I mean, here we have only 1 place point, here we have 4 places points. From 4 places, we have to subtract 1 place, means we have extra 3 places. That 3 places we have to convert into zeros. If a denominator extra points, we have to convert into zeros. This is the point number 4. This is the point number 4. Next, after that, point number 5. Point number 5 is a root, under root of, what is the value of under root of 1.44? I am asking. What is the root of 1.44? Root 1.44 equals to what is the value? Root 1.44 equals to what is the value? I am asking. Root 1.44 equals to what is the value means, first of all, my dear friend, we have to solve 144 root. If we take 144 root, value is equals to 12, right? 12 is the answer. After writing a 12 in this question, after how many places there is a point, that means 2 places. Na? If there is 2 places point, that means we have to convert the 2 places into 1 place. That means value is equals to 1.2. For example, let us suppose if we take under root of 5.76. Under root of 5.76. First of all, my dear friend, we have to solve 576 root. 576 root is equals 24. After writing out 24, after how many places there is a point means 2 places. That means value is equals to 2.4. 2.4 is our answer. Sir. And after that, let us suppose under root of 10.24. 1024 root equals to 32. 1024 root equals 32. 1024 root equals 32. Sir. After how many places there is a point means 2 places. Sir. After 2 places there is a point means we have to convert into 1 place point. Sir. Let us suppose if there are 10 places, after 10 places there is a point, that means 10 places means 5 places. Sir. 80 places means 4 places. 4 is nothing but 2. 2 means 1. 6 means 3. 12 means 6. 6 means 3. Right. Like that. This is the point number 5. Did you understand this one? Right. For data interpretation, these are the very, very important points. This is the point number 5. Next, after that, point number 6. Point number 6. Let us suppose under root of 2500. What is the root of 2500 value? Under root of 2500 equals to what is the value? Right. First of all, you have to solve the root number. What is the root number? Root 25. Root 25 equals to what is the value? 5. And how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. That's why it is value is equal simply 50. Root of 2500. Root of 2500 equals to 50. Sir. Root of 2500 equals to 50. Let us suppose under root of 144 0000. Sir. We have to solve it. Under root of 144 0000. First of all, tell me 144 root equals to 12. 4 zeros are there. That means we have to write 2 zeros here. Zeros means we have to take half of the zeros. If 10 zeros are there, we have to take 5 zeros. 6 zeros are there, we have to take 3 zeros. 12 zeros are there, we have to take 6 zeros. 6 zeros means 3 zeros. 2 zeros means 1 zero. This is the point number 6. Did you understand this one? Right, sir. Thank you. Next, point number 7. Okay, point number 7. Sir. Let us suppose, for example, this is the calculation 100 divided by 5 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5 divided by 5, sir. 100 divided by 5 divided by 5. Actually, here we have consecutive division, sir. If there is any consecutive division, we have to write like this. I mean, boss, A divided by B divided by C. Let us suppose if it is A divided by B divided by C, sir. If A divided by B divided by C is nothing but A by B into C. A divided by B divided by C is equals to A divided by B into C. 100 divided by 5 divided by 5 means 100 divided by 5 divided by 5 means we have to write 100 numerator value divide by 5 into 5 values. 100 divided by 25 value is nothing but 4. 4 is our answer. 4 is our answer. Did you understand this one? A divided by B divided by C equals A divided by B into C. 100 divided by 5 divided by 5 means 100 by 5 into 5 value is equals to 4. 4 is our answer. If there are any consecutive division, just we have to solve like this. For example, let us suppose it is a value, okay, 200 divided by 2 divided by 5 divided by 5, let us suppose. 200 divided by 2 divided by 5 divided by 5, sir. Just we need to solve it. So, if there are any divisions like this, that means we have to take calculation like this. So, boss, 200 divided by 2 into 5 into 5. Calculation. 25 2s and then 50. 50 in 200 means how many times? 4 times. The calculation. If there are any consecutive division, just we have to solve like this. These are the basic principles in simple calculation, sir. These are the points. This is the point number 7. After that, point number 8. Point number 8, sir. What is the point number 8? Common. Okay, common. Right. I mean, let us suppose it is a value calculation. Let us suppose 48 square into 36 square divided by 144 square. What is the answer? Actually, what is the value of 48 square means we don't know 48 square. After that, what is the square of 36 means also we don't know. What is the value of 144 square means even we don't know. But here we have common exponents. Here we have common exponent. That's why we have to take common value. So value is equal to this. The value 48 into 36 by 144 whole square. 48 into 36 by 144 whole square. So 48 in 144 means how many times? 3 times now. It is a value 3. 3 in 36 means how many times? 12 times. 12 square value is equals to 144. 12 square value is equals to 144. We have to take common exponent as a common, sir. 48 square into 36 square by 144 square means 48 into 36 divided by 144 whole square, sir. Let us suppose for example, what is the value of 24 cube into 36 cube divided by 144 cube? This is the calculation. What is the value of 24 cube into 36 cube divided by 144 cube? 144 cube. Here we have common cube. That's why we have to take it as a 24 into 36 by 144 whole cube. So 24 in 144 means 6 times. 6 in 36 means 6 times. 6 cube value is equals to 216. 216 is our answer. Okay, it is the method. It is known as we have to take common exponent. This is the point, sir. This is the point number 8. After point number 9, sir. Point number 9. What is the point number 9? Point number 9 is nothing but, point number 9 is nothing but, this is the point, 64 square minus 36 square is equals to 50 into x. Then what is the value of x? What is the value of x? 64 square minus 36 square equals to 50 into x means what is the value of x? First of all, you tell me. A square minus b square equals to what is the value? A square minus b square equals to value is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. I want to write one more time. A square minus b square equals to formula. A square minus b square equals to formula is equals to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square equal formula is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. First of all, my dear friend, we need to take addition of these two. 64 plus 36 is equals to 100. 64 minus 36 equals to 28. Is equals to 50 into x. We have to solve it. 50 into 100 means 2 times. 28 2's a value is equals to 56. 56 is the answer. So, you tell me. A square minus b square equals to what is the value? A square minus b square equals to formula is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. That's why a plus b, 64 plus 36 is the 100. 64 minus 36 is equals to 28. Value is equals to 56. 56 is the answer. These are the 9 points for basic simplification. In next class, we will discuss addition. How do we calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication, percentage, like that. I hope you understand. Thank you, sir. Thank you.